First one, Tacoma, the key still in. Parked down the street where the cops stay grin. They look, they know, but they never act unless the thief one punk, brown skin and crack. I like know how the HPD playing. Say war on ice, but the judge stay laying out the backdoor deals with the mokeh and blue. Plant the pipe, then lie about the ting they knew. Yo, the chop shop brought a PD when passed. Took one pick, laugh, never write one class. But if one kanaka when steal one moped seat, you see 12 cars swarming down the fucking street. How come the meth head nephew with a cop stay selling bike parts right outside the shop? How come I get red but the big boy skates? You telling me justice? Nah, that fake. They like talk Pono but live hewa. Lock us up for scraps and then eat them. You see me broke, you see the rust, but they ride lifted, so who you gon' trust? Brah Austin, Brah, he one clown, but he still walk free all the way in town. BJ burn cars like he lighting torch, but the sergeant stay his uncle on the porch. I never say I innocent, but call it straight. I scrap, I hustle, but I never fake. I never lie like the badge ones do, who bust up the houseless but snort the glue. Nah, they raid my lot for some stolen wheels, while their cousin moving crates full of heavy steels. Out the mats and port, no search, no scan, but they pull me over for the soda can. That's how come the meth head nephew of the cop stay selling bike parts right outside the shop? How come I get raid but the big boy skates? You telling me justice? Nah, that fake. They like talk Pono but live hewa. Lock us up for scraps and then eat them. You see me broke, you see the rust, but they ride lifted, so who you gon' trust? This the cycle, brother. We the leak but not the pipe. The cops smoke the truth in the shadow of the light. No more fix, just patches. No cure, just crutches. And when we cry out, they say hush, hush, hushes. I run 1 yard, but I ain't kingpin. Just tryna get bread while the pigs still grin. When the chief KT get caught with a stash, they sweep them clean, no cuff, no bash. Let them hear the badge in blue. You serve who? Not me, not my crew. The boys in brown get beat in the cell while the Holly meth prince live in one Hilo hotel. How come the meth head nephew of the cop stay selling bike parts right outside the shop? How come I get raid but the big boy skates? You telling me justice? Nah, that fake. They like reach Pono but safer like a poop, sucking the matter from me and you. No more trust, no more peace, so we roll deep, deep till the lies all cease. How come the meth head?
Yeah, da 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 da.